In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoices in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or manage finances for a corporation, creating invoices is an essential part of maintaining cash flow and ensuring timely payments. Let's dive into how you can efficiently create an invoice using QuickBooks Online. First things first, if you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you'll need to sign up. If you're already a member, simply head to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page and log in using your credentials. Once you've successfully signed in, you will be directed to your QuickBooks account dashboard. Look for your company file and select it. This action will take you to your personalized company workspace where you can manage transactions and financial data. With your workspace set, locate the plus create button, typically found at the top or on a prominent location on the dashboard. Clicking here will open a drop-down menu with various transaction options. From this menu, choose Invoice. This selection will bring you to a new page specifically designed for invoice creation. Next is filling in customer details. In the customer dropdown, choose an existing customer if they are already on your list or opt to create a new one directly. It's vital that you check and confirm their email, billing address, and the payment terms agreed upon to avoid any errors later on in the transaction. Let's move on to adding invoice details. Start by entering the invoice date followed by the due date and any specific terms of payment. It's also the time to add the product or service involved in the transaction. Input the quantity, rate, and applicable tax for the products or services your customer is purchasing. If needed, you can add multiple line items to depict separate services or products. Adding notes can also enhance clarity for both you and the customer. Now let's focus on customizing payment options. Enabling online payment options like credit card, ACH, or services like PayPal can facilitate an easier payment process for your customers. You may also apply any relevant discounts, add shipping charges if they apply, or include deposits that were made beforehand. Finally, once all the necessary information has been entered, it's time to review and finalize your invoice. Take a moment to preview the invoice to ensure all details are accurate and reflect your agreement with the customer. From here, you have two options. You can either click Save and Send to email the invoice directly to your customer, or choose Save and Close to save it without sending, if you prefer to make adjustments later. By following these steps, you now know how to create and manage invoices within QuickBooks Online, helping you maintain smooth business operations and ensuring your financial records are in order. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for more tips and guides on QuickBooks and managing your business finances efficiently.